guys, it's Veronica Powers, and I am back by popular demand. That food smells really good. I think they heard me. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye, a very special, ooky, kooky, spooky smoky eye. And I don't know, I just thought it'd be really fun to do today. I like, challenging myself to do these things, and I've always had a little bit of a hard time doing smoky eyes. I try. Anyways, here goes nothing. So as you can see, I've already done like my foundation, my highlighting, and I have all this baking powder under me so I can like catch whatever fallout that I have. And the first thing I'm going to start off with is priming my eyelids. When I prime my eyelids, I have my shit together this time, I swear I didn't have to edit a bunch of shit out. So the first thing I do is prime my eyelids. And what I use to prime my eyelids with is actually my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. What I do is I take this highlighting shade right here that you see, and I feel like it could be a MAC paint pot. We're gonna go with that. I saw shitty lighting, just so you know. And I just do this. So some pretty cool things have been happening since the last few days after I made my first video. If you haven't noticed, I dyed my hair. So here goes nothing. And I already got it on my forehead. I have a mess. Oh no. I changed my t-shirt and I totally cleaned my room. And I'm not gonna prove the third one. That would actually mean I have to clean my room. I should clean my room. Oh, I need a back massage. I need a boyfriend. I need some coffee. I need a lot of things. I need help. Oh, here's something I'm really excited about. I'm gonna be going to Texas in a few days. I can see my family again. I have not seen my family in about a year. I'm so excited to see them. And have you ever been away from your family for a long period of time? It's like, I don't know, I think about them every day and everything, and I kind of regret, because when I went to college, I actually lived an hour away from them, and I just like never took the time to go see them as much as I should have. And I feel like I just took that for granted that I was always so close to them. So the fact that like I literally have to plan to like go see them because I just don't live an hour away. I live several thousand miles away. Like, ugh, I took that for granted. I completely regret that. I swear it's powder and it's not Coke. Oh my god. I wonder what they're cooking out there. It smells really good. The palette I'm going to be using today actually is going to be the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette that I actually really like. It's like the first like fancy schmancy palette that I ever bought, because I usually use like, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Wet n Wild. Like, I mean, not that there's anything wrong with those palettes. You can make anything work, honestly. But I just really wanted to try something that's more, that at the time was more of an indie brand. And I remember it was like a big deal when this came out. I mean, look at these colors. This palette is so well loved. Like, you can tell the shade that I use the most is this rusty one, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use today, but we'll see what I use. I'm just going to play around with some colors and see what I can do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this blue shimmery color called Expensive and do it all over the center of my eye. Super clean brush, by the way. I totally washed all these brushes. I have a mess! I love the color blue. It's like my favorite color. I always take like my ring finger and I just put it on my eyelid just to like really boost the color. Cause something about the oil on your finger like really blends well with the eyeshadow pigment. It's really helpful, especially if you're doing like a halo eye or like a spotlight. You can just do that and then use a concealer or whatever to like blend it and just shape it better. I need to eat something. Okay, so after I have this foundation down, I take a little brush like this and I just, blend the edges around, just make sure it's diffused and like not harsh at all whatsoever. Because it's supposed to be smoky, not foggy. Come on, foggy eyeshadow. Look at this fog eyeshadow. I said you better work that foggy eyeshadow. Okay, this next part might get a little dicey, but I think what I really want to do is go into the shade Confession and see if I can like do like a first layer of like smokiness to see how that goes. Here goes nothing. Do you ever get like a random song in your head but you don't know all the words, so you're just like singing like the very first part? Like for instance, here's me, and let's hope that I don't get sued. Right under my feet is air something something. My name's Adele. That's why I'm single. Have I mentioned I'm single? Fellas. I'm taking the shade Confession and just going around the sides. I like to stamp it right on the edge right here like this. And just windshield wiper motions. You know, just give it a little rustiness before you do the smokiness. Alright, that's kind of smoky. Next, I'm going to take the shadow Black Rainbow. I feel so fancy doing this! I'm gonna further intensify the smokiness of my eye. And remember, like the blue is supposed to be like the initial hint of color, and then everything else is smoky, and then you want it to grade out back to the blue and just have it be fadey, effervescent, smoky, and not foggy. This is turning out pretty nice. I'm hungry. But I'm also poor. So next, to smoke out my under eye, I think I'm gonna combine these two shades on both ends of the spectrum. Just go under my eye. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade Courtney. Boop, boop, boop. And just try to, you know, diffuse a little bit of it. Sometimes you might go a little ham. But it's okay, everyone likes a little ham. Oh, someone kill me. Next, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star highlighter in the shade Lavender Snow, boop, 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 and just punch like your inner corner. Okay, and that is going to be the eye look that I'm going for. That actually looks pretty cute. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the other eye and then do a little liner, a little lash moment, and then I'll be right back with the contouring. Alright, I'm back, and my other eye's done. I have eyebrows, and I have a will to live. So now to go into contour. For contour, I'm going to go back to my BR True Complexion contour palette. And I'm going to start off with a sculpting shade. You don't have to do everything that I do. I just have a lot of steps because I want to make sure that my makeup is bulletproof. Because 9 times out of 10 when I'm putting this on, I'm going to be out all hours of the night, you know, spinning, kicking, flipping, turning, singing, sucking dick. No, I'm just kidding, Mom. Don't listen to this video. But yeah, I'd be turning tricks. Oh my god, I didn't know if I was a hooker. Hey, nice to meet you. Would you like me to hook for you? I am very good hooker. What accent was that? Did I mention he used to be an actor? Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Hi. So I'm going to be using the NYX Sweet Treats blush kit. And I'm going to go into this really more cherry rougey color. And just pop that right up here. Give myself some color. Boop, 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 boop. I almost forgot the mascara. I tried to do a bit, it just didn't work. You know, I'm just never good at talking when there's something in my mouth. Ooh, let me do the Nikki Tutorials eye close-up that she likes to do. Can you see my eye? Oh, this is very homophobic lighting. Is this what money feels like? That looked really stupid. Okay, now to set my face. I'm gonna use the old reliable Milani Make It Last setting spray. Oh, that tastes awful. Okay, for highlight, I'm going back into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics and going back into Lavender Snow. Ooh. Okay, so to line my lips, I'm going to use the shade Vanity in the Beauty Killer palette. And line my lips, y'all. Okay, now to fill in my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede in the shade Cherry Skies. And then going back into Vanity to, you know, blend everything out. Going back into Lavender Snow and just hitting the Cupid's bow. Ugh. So pretty. And that completes the look. Okay, now why don't I slip into something a little more comfortable and fully debut this look. Ring, 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 ring. Who could that be? Hello? Oh, hi, Becky. Yeah, I'm at this really cool party. I'm just kind of here sitting in some random person's bedroom. I think he's a drag queen. He has clothes everywhere. I mean, look at this wig. He hasn't even combed it. Is this thing recording? Hello? Dad. That one was really stupid. Hello? Yes, this is him. How much? Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I think you have the wrong number. This is actually Veronica Powers. Call me whatever you want, Dad. You're not even on this phone. It's not even a phone, it's a hairbrush. I need help. That should conclude our video. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this. If you like this and want to see more, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to upload like 3 days a week. I think on Mondays and Wednesdays I'm gonna have performance videos, and on Fridays I'm gonna have a quirky little cute little makeup tutorial. But anyways, yeah, I'm Veronica Powers. You can find me on Instagram under Random Calamity and on Facebook as Veronica Powers. So yeah, I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I love all of you so much. I swear this is sincere. This is very sincere. I love all of you, truly. Thank you so much for supporting me. Those of you, I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and I'm so proud that I'm actually able to do stuff like this. Oh my god, this is happening, guys. Anyways, I love you all, and I will see you later. Bye! I'm a mess.